What are you doing?
Oh my god, where's my legs at?
What was that, Mike?
The retarded turtle. Retarded turtle. You see it? Retarded turtle, right?
Show me the awkward turtle.
The awkward turtle.
He actually got it. Yeah.
Retarded turtle.
That'd be a good night for you tonight.
That's you, Mike. You're the retarded turtle.
You just got